Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making creamy tofu udon. Chewy udon noodles paired with a light creamy tofu sauce make the perfect match. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the udon noodles according to the package instructions. Once boiled, drain well. In a large bowl, whisk the tofu until smooth. Add salt, soy milk, and grated Parmesan cheese, then mix well. Microwave for about 1 minute to warm it up. Add the cooked udon noodles to the bowl and toss until evenly coated with the cream. Plate the udon noodles, top with chopped scallion, and sprinkle with black pepper to taste. I hope you enjoy this creamy tofu udon. At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Tofu is a plant-based food made from soybeans by solidifying boiled soy milk. It's high in protein and low in calories, making it a go-to ingredient for many healthy recipes. Soybeans are soaked in water, crushed into small pieces, and boiled to create soy milk. A coagulant like nigari is then added to the soy milk to solidify it into tofu. For farm tofu, the solidified tofu is pressed to remove extra water. That's why it has a dense texture. On the other hand, silken tofu is made without pressing, so it stays smooth and soft.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.